So beginning this practice, either sitting down in a chair or standing up, beginning by connecting with the breath, feeling the sensations of the breath as it helps to anchor you back to the present moment. Letting the arms just drop to the sides of the body. On the next out-breath, bringing the right ear down to the right shoulder. Feeling a stretch in the left side of the neck. Really feeling the sensations here. Breathing into the neck. Allowing for a nice stretch through the left side of the neck. The next inhale, bringing the head back to a neutral position. And then letting it gently fall towards the left so that the left ear is now going towards the left shoulder. Making sure that you're not raising the shoulder, but that you're just allowing the head to drop. And breathing in to the side body of the neck, the right side. Feeling the stretch of the muscles that are generally engaged throughout the day, and giving them a chance to be present as well. Giving yourself a chance to be present with this movement. Perhaps on the inhale, breathing in spaciousness, and on the exhale, maybe allowing the muscles to release a bit. On the next inhale, bringing the head back to neutral. Pausing here for a moment, feeling the breath. On the next exhale, bringing the chin towards the chest. Allowing the back of the neck to stretch and release. On the inhale, breathing in some of that release, and on the exhale, perhaps allowing the neck to expand more. The next inhale, bringing the head back to neutral. And imagining as if there's a string attached to the very crown and top of the head, and it's pulling the spine straight. At the same time, allowing the sit bones to be firmly rooted into the chair. Or if you're standing, allowing the feet to be firmly rooted into the ground, and expanding in two directions right now. Expanding upward towards the sky with the head, and downwards towards the ground with either the buttocks or the feet. On the next inhale, placing both hands over the right upper thigh, stretching upward towards the sky, and getting a gentle twist here, twisting towards the right. And if you're standing, you can do the same thing, just moving the hands up maybe towards the hips and getting a nice gentle twist here, twisting first with the chest and then letting the head follow. Inhaling and exhaling. Perhaps on the inhale, breathing in this sense of spaciousness, and on the exhale, maybe moving just a micro movement further into the pose. The next exhale, releasing that posture and inhaling over to the opposite side so that the hands are now on the thigh or the hip on the left, making sure the spine is long. Inhaling and then exhaling into the movement a little deeper. And just continuing to do this, inhaling in the spaciousness and exhaling into the release, perhaps moving deeper into the posture. On the next exhale, releasing that pose. And again, finding a neutral position. Taking the arms out to the sides. On the inhale, circling the arms upward towards the sky until the palms touch. And then on the exhale, bringing the palms down to heart center into a prayer pose. We're going to do this 2 more times. So on the inhale, bringing the arms around all the way up towards the sky until they touch, and then exhale, arms down to heart center. And 1 more time. Lifting the arms up as you take in all that the world has to offer in this in-breath, and then exhaling the hands down to heart center. Now releasing the hands and placing them on the lap or next to the sides of the body. Connecting in this moment, again with the breath. Now we're going to begin to do some shoulder movements. So on the inhale, shrugging the shoulders up and forward. And on the exhale, moving the shoulders down and back. And then inhale, shrugging them back up. And exhale, down and back. And just continue this circular motion with the breath. Not going too fast. Notice if you're wanting to move on, to do something else in this moment. And just allow that to be here. And just circling. Making these nice, gentle circles with the shoulders. Allowing perhaps some of the stress and tension to melt away. Now reversing, going the opposite direction. So on the inhale, bringing the shoulders up and back. And then on the exhale, bringing the shoulders down and forward. So inhale, shoulders come up and to the back. Exhale, shoulders go down and to the front. And just continue with this movement, allowing any tension or tightness to just release in this moment. Following your breath, going at the pace of your breath, perhaps slowing it down a little bit if you notice it's going really fast. On the next exhale, after the next time that you've made a rotation, just letting the shoulders gently drop to the sides. Checking in with the body, noticing what the body's like after having moved in this way, breathing and stretching.